Managing your wallets. Learn how to manage your wallet balance, including updating funds, transferring amounts, and archiving wallets as needed. Click on the Wallets tab to find all of the wallets in your account. You can see all your wallets along with their associated payment methods and available funds. To transfer funds between wallets, simply click on the transfer icon next to the wallet name. Here you can select the wallet you want to transfer funds to, as well as the desired amount. Once completed, the transferred amount will appear in your chosen wallet. Click on the eye icon to view your wallet detail page. This is where you can see all related transactions and add funds manually. Click on Add Funds to manually charge your payment method to add more funds to your current wallet. Once your payment method is successfully charged, your BrandExpand wallet will be updated with the added funds. Adding funds manually is a great option if your regular evening charge was declined for any reason. To change your wallet payment method, simply click on Change or Add. Here, you'll find a record of all transactions for the corresponding wallet. You can archive an old wallet once its balance reaches $0 by clicking the box button. Once archived, it will automatically be marked as Archived on the status column. Click here if you wish to add a new wallet to your account. Enter the name of your new wallet and select a payment method. You can either pick one from your account or add a new payment method. Submit your new wallet by clicking on Add Wallet.